Simon here from Radical Lines Garage, and today's episode is we are working on the Chrysler. Me and Matthias had filmed the intro video for this, but the audio was unfortunately lost. So in this episode we will be welding up the kick up for the suspension, rear suspension, and also the mounting point for the rear suspension. We will mount the body and cut out the floor, starting to measure to mount the new front end, and also assemble the new front end and cut the frame in the front. So enjoy. The new kick-ups are almost done. So right now we are cutting out the floor to be able to sit the body down on the frame, and this whole section will be new, and we will also have bigger wheel wells, so everything must go. So right now we are dismantling the, what do you call it?
Front end.
Number bumper steer. Torsion.
Sway bar.
Sway bar. We're removing that, and we have removed the springs, and now we're gonna assemble the joints and all that, just to mock it up and be able to measure which height we want to have. There you go.
Eller är den borta då? Det luktar popcorn.
Popcorn? Slägga.
Slägga.
Jag hittar du något större?
Nej.
hade du bricka där.
Det sitter ju på. Automatiskt. Ta in det.
Last night, Matthias and Helena mounted the whole front end of the car. So now we can measure and start to cut the frame. Matthias has ordered all the parts for the rear end, all the bushings and brake discs and rear bearings and stuff. Now it's time to start cutting out the front end.
What can go wrong? This is a front.
Jag håller här bak igen. Turtle.